Welcome back to my channel, guys. Y'all know I like to jump right into the review. So we are reviewing today an Invisible Deep Part wig by Studio Cut. I don't believe I've ever worked with this brand before. I actually don't believe I've ever done a synthetic bob in this style, but first time for everything. I have it in the color OT27, so it's dark at the roots, of course, and it's falling into the number 27. So right now, I'm just placing the wig on my head, trying to get a feel of what it's going to look like. Initially, I'm not liking the length. I went in because I wish I would have showed y'all the parting space was pretty bad, but I made it kind of worse by over plucking it, but it's a very simple and easy fix. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and make sure that my part is where I want it to be. As you can see, it's over plucked pretty bad. I was rushing and doing this with my hands. I do not suggest that you do that. Just do things the proper way, okay? With tweezers, because when you try to do things improperly, something bad always happens. Anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and add some black eyeshadow. You can do this with black eyeshadow. You can do this with liquid liner. You can do this with black or mascara. Mascara works pretty good too, but I'm using black eyeshadow. I wish y'all could see what it's doing instantly more, but I didn't realize that my hand was that huge and it was covering the entire camera. I do apologize, but all I'm doing, y'all, is literally dabbing that powder down into the parting, and what I'm trying to do is create the illusion that I did not over pluck it, that it's still really dark right there. So you just do that a few times until, as you can see, you don't see that big gappiness anymore. The parting looks way better, way more normal, way more suitable. So I'm going to put a little bit of the Paul Mitchell serum. I love to do this with all of my hair, really, even my synthetic units. I think it just gives the hair a little bit more shine, a little bit more bounce, and that's really important when you're wearing a bob unit. Is you want it to have body, you want it to have bounce, you want it to move, not be stiff. Now I'm going to go ahead and zoom the camera in. I don't want baby hairs out of control. I do want a little bit of my own hairline showing because I find that makes this unit look a tad bit more realistic. So I'm taking a little bit of edge control and I'm just taking my comb and just kind of doing like soft, really soft swoops, y'all. I'm not doing full on baby hairs per se. I'm just doing really soft swoops, just following the natural pattern of my own hair. Nothing major at all. I didn't even lay this down, y'all. And to talk a little bit about the hair while we're doing this, y'all, I'm noticing that the texture is very like yucky. I really like that. I also love the color blend. As y'all can see, the color blend is epic. It's not like too straight on the line. It's not botchy or anything like that. Cap construction is great. It fits my head nice and snug. Overall, I have to give this unit 4 out of 5 stars just because the plucking was a little bit of a nuisance. But other than that, the unit is a nice winner for a cute bob. Thank y'all so much for watching. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Also comment down below and let me know what units you want to see me review next time. Thanks again for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.